Hey you guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today we are doing the 52-week challenge, which means that it is Tuesday. Now, before we get started, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment your number that you're wanting me to choose next week, because if you are chosen, you will get a $10 Amazon gift card, which we are doing this week also. And if it is not chosen, then that means that we are not doing a giveaway. So it is a gamble. So that's why we need more people to comment, so there is a better chance for somebody to win. And I wanted to shout out my friend on here. Her name is Pamela. She's always playing this game. She's always commenting on my other videos. And she has come up with a hashtag when I do these videos. It is hashtag Thrifty Tuesday. And she is so funny. Absolutely love her. And I think I want to put this in the video. So it is officially Thrifty Tuesday and hashtag Thrifty Tuesday. And that is what we're going to be calling it every single Tuesday when you can come and follow along with me on the 52-week challenge. So I thought that was pretty catchy and fun. And thank you again to Pamela for suggesting that. She's very smart and I absolutely love her. But anyways, let's just get right into it. So we have 26 guesses, and they range from Richard Smith, who guessed first, all the way down to Saving with Caprita. And that was a lot. There's a lot of high numbers, which fingers crossed we get a high number, because I really want a high number so we can knock out these big ones for Christmas, because as I've been saying in multiple videos, that I am PRM, so that I don't do a lot. I don't go to the hospital or anything a lot, so that is why. So we're going to be struggling with money, but we got this. I know we do. So anyway, so this is what we're going to choose. So we picked 30. So $30 is how much we're going to be stuffing, and I don't think anybody guessed it. I really don't think so when I was writing this down. Let's see. Nope, nobody guessed it, which is fine, because there's a better chance the lower numbers that we get, or the more guesses that we get, the higher that people will guess, and then we will get a $10 gift card. But today we are just going to be stuffing $30, which is super exciting as always. So I always have to keep $52 just because we haven't scratched off 52, and there's a chance that we could get it. So we're going to get 20 and 30. And let's go ahead, and I gotta find my pen though. I'm so unorganized because I've been at school all day. I've been at school all day, and it's just been crazy. So I just found a blue pen. All right, so $30, and we are going to, that means we're over $100. Like I said last week, I was hoping that we'd get get over $100 this week, and we did. So we should be at $108, which is super exciting. So we're just going to go and get our envelopes, and then we're going to count this. All right, let's see. All right, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So $108 is how much we have. So that is super, super exciting. And I just like doing this. So we are at $1,378 is how much we are going to end up with. And we already have $108. So that is $1,270 is how much we have left to save, and that is just exciting. So we have the 3 colors that we are going to be doing, and we are going to be doing the 30. So we're going yellow, pink, and purple. So purple is what we are going to be coloring. And I just wanted to talk to you guys. So how's everything? I have been at school, nursing school. This is week 3, and it's so much information, you guys. There's so much information that I do not know. I've been in the medical field for 7 years, and I've been a scrub tech, which is totally different than nursing school, because it mainly teaches you stuff on like the floor, not necessarily the OR or operating room. So it is a lot to learn about the medication and everything. So struggling with that, but everything will be fine. I've met some pretty good people. I carpool with one girl that I met through nursing school, so we help each other out. She comes over here all the time and we study and everything, but I just need it to click with me. I really do, and I am trying my hardest. But yeah, so that is a little update on nursing school. So that is it, you guys. So we marked off another number, which is a big number because it's on the other side rather than the small side, which is okay with me. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know down below what number you want me to pick next week, and hopefully we'll have a $10 winner next week, because I love doing the Amazon gift cards, because I feel like it's just a way of me giving back to my subscribers or my friends on here. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.